right, we want to take a look at a car produced by an African. Car produced by an African. Okay, so the name of this car is the Izogo Z600. Izogo Z600. This is a prototype, which was the first indigenous Nigerian car and the first automobile of indigenous all African technology. So it was the brainchild of engineer Ezekiel Izogo, and it was launched in 1997. The car used to steer in the Nigerian media and was touted by the then Nigerian Chief of Staff, Oladipo Dia. And this prototype was equipped with a self-made 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine that got 18 mpg and allowed the car to achieve a top speed of around 140 km per hour. But front-wheel drive was chosen over rear-wheel drive. Moreover, that was because of transmission tunnel. So the right-wheel drive would be more expensive to fabricate. So 90% of the car's components were made locally. The design of the car was a very utilitarian, resembling of the Renault 4, with its upright stance and a front end that vaguely resembles the locally assembled Peugeot 504. Now, at that time, it was to be priced $2,000. It would have been the cheapest car in the world. Clever features like the doorbell used in the place of horn ensured it achieved its low price target. Mass production was planned under Izogu Motors, located in Naze, Imo State. But too many financial and political hurdles prevented the car from proceeding past the prototype stage. And you know what? As of 2005, interest from other African countries arose about the Z600, and Dr. Izogu, who was invited to South Africa to give a speech on science and technology. South African government showed keen interest in the car and wanted Izogu to build it in South Africa. Optimism surrounded the car until March 11, 2006, when no fewer than 10 heavily armed men raided the factory of Izogu Motors in Naze, taking with them the molds of the engine blocks and crankshaft, mudguards, and the design history notebook of Z600, the design file, Z-Mass, containing the design history of mass production of the Z600 car, and other components. This was a big setback for the project. Since then, not much is known on the status of this car. Alright, this is a little snippet about this particular car. That was the first car produced by an African, who was known as Mr. Nzogo. Alright, so he hails, that's Mr. Engineer Ezekiel Izogo, who hails from somewhere Imo State in Nigeria. Okay, so I believe this, if this interest has you feel interested in this particular topic, please don't forget to like and share this. Don't forget to like, please like and share to your loved ones. All right, good luck.